Mary, the patient in room 3 is ready, but I need to warn you, he is allergic to many things.
How many things?
A lot. Penicillin, latex, aspirin, and some foods.
Okay, we need to check before we do anything.
I already checked his file. No latex gloves. We need the blue ones.
Good. And no penicillin. What about pain medication?
The doctor said only acetaminophen. It is safe for him.
Perfect. I will prepare the room now. Can you call the pharmacist?
Yes, I will ask her to confirm the medication.
Great. And, John, please put a red allergy band on his wrist.
Already done. I put it on when he arrived.
You are fast. Good work.
Thank you. This patient is nervous. He is scared about his allergies.
I understand. Let's be calm and explain everything to him.
Good idea. He will feel safer.
Let's go. Room 3 is waiting.